when you're looking at the housing backlog, when you're looking at the infrastructure backlog, it's important that we do more with the little that we have. And the subjects and the topic of this conference speaks to exactly that. This conference will bring us a product of what we can do with the little investment that government is making in infrastructure delivery. As the Eastern Cape Province, we are committed in using infrastructure delivery as a catalyst for economic growth. And for that to happen, we have to be drilling in on sustainable infrastructure delivery, looking at alternative building technologies, looking at climate resilient technologies, and the conversations that are happening in the conference will respond to exactly that need.
In terms of Sisulu, one of the strategic thrusts is the issue of research. So we want to produce research that is practical, solving problems. I think the university, this conference, it will assist the university in achieving that mega goal. In terms of innovation, there are different things that we're doing as a university. So in terms of innovation, so I think the conference, based on the papers which are there, in terms of the different themes, is going to assist the university in terms of going forward to say how to implement those mega areas, focusing mostly in the Eastern Cape Province.
We have a quintessentially important role in society as academics to challenge thinking, to make sure that we give the best possible diversity to education that we can for our students, because our students are our future. And that applies in South Africa as much as it does in England or America or Australia or anybody else around the planet. We're all human beings. We need good people coming up to fill those jobs, to create wealth, to distribute that wealth, to make sure that people can live comfortably and sustainably. So I think we've got to change the way that we're working at the moment, where we're being told that AI is the solution to every problem. It's not. We have to change it so that AI is rephrased as pre-programmed algorithms. I think that's the first step, so that people understand that these things aren't sentient. And I think that's critically important, because too many people are believing that these things can think for themselves, and they can't.
Our young professionals are not just the future, right? They are the present, and it is crucial that we bring them on board as we bring the new thinking and with our youth that are digitally fluent. And they are far much attuned to social and environmental responsibilities that we are requiring currently within our industry. And as the CBE, we recognize the innovation that doesn't just come from top down, but we want to be inclusive with our youth, the young talent that we have through the universities and the partnerships that we have now. And this is really why we are expanding the work integrated learning opportunities. We've got mentorship and coaching programs that we've put in place as a pathways and even digital platforms for knowledge exchange that together with the built environment professionals, together with the industries have put together, so that we use this as a platform where our youth can collaborate, our youth can really exchange new ideas and bring new thinking within the built environment. And where we also design and develop inclusive and climate conscious and community-driven opportunities and programs that will help us foster the opportunities that we are currently sitting and seeing within the built environment.